Ever wondered why some videos rank higher than others on YouTube, despite the content quality? It's not magic, but something called video SEO. In our hyper-connected world, creating stellar content is only half the battle. The other half is making sure that your videos can be found amidst the sea of digital content. This is where video SEO, or video search engine optimization, steps in. With millions of videos being uploaded every single day, making your content stand out can seem like finding a needle in a haystack, but fear not. With the right strategies and a little patience, you can boost your video's visibility, reach a wider audience, and maybe even make it to YouTube's coveted trending page. So what is video SEO? Simply put, it's the process of optimizing your videos to rank higher in search engine results, making them more discoverable to potential viewers. Let's delve deeper and understand how you can optimize your videos for better SEO. To maximize your video's visibility, you need to focus on several key areas. Let's break it down into easy-to-follow steps that will help you navigate the world of video SEO optimization. First off, let's talk about keyword research. This is the cornerstone of any SEO strategy. Start by identifying relevant keywords related to your video's content. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner or YouTube's autocomplete feature can be your best friends here. Look for keywords with high search volume but low competition. These are your golden tickets. Next, let's move on to crafting compelling titles and descriptions. This is where you can let your creativity shine while still keeping SEO in mind. Your title should be engaging and accurately represent your video's content. But don't forget to naturally incorporate your target keywords. The same goes for your description. This is your chance to provide a brief overview of what viewers can expect from your video, making them more likely to click and watch. Now let's discuss thumbnails. These small images can make a big difference. Your thumbnail is often the first thing viewers see, so make it count. Design a thumbnail that grabs attention, accurately represents your video's content, and stands out from the crowd. Use contrasting colors, clear images, and text overlays to make your thumbnail pop. Moving on, let's touch upon video file optimization. This is an often overlooked but crucial step in video SEO. Start by using your target keywords in the file name. Then make sure to include relevant tags and a transcript of your video. This helps search engines understand your video's content, increasing your chances of ranking higher in search results. But remember, SEO is not just about search engines. It's also about your viewers. Engage your audience by creating high-quality, informative, and entertaining content. Encourage viewers to interact with your videos by liking, commenting, and sharing. This not only boosts your engagement rates, but also sends positive signals to YouTube's algorithm, improving your video's visibility. Don't forget to include clear calls to action in your videos. Prompt viewers to subscribe, visit your website, or watch more of your videos. Strategically placed CTAs can guide viewer behavior and increase engagement. By focusing on these key areas, you can maximize your video's visibility and reach a wider audience. But remember, consistency is key. Keep experimenting with different strategies to find what works best for your audience. And lastly, don't forget that SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires time and patience, but with the right strategies and a little perseverance, you can significantly improve your YouTube rankings and attract more viewers to your channel. Now it's your turn. Start implementing these video SEO strategies today and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering video SEO optimization. Attracting viewers is one thing, but how do you keep them engaged? In this digital era, viewer engagement is a vital aspect of your video's success. It's not just about getting your video in front of the right eyes. It's about keeping those eyes glued to the screen. Let's delve into some effective strategies to boost viewer engagement. Firstly, it's imperative to create valuable content. Your videos should be a goldmine of information, entertainment, or inspiration that your audience can't find anywhere else. Address their concerns, answer their queries, and provide solutions to their problems. Make your content so compelling that they can't help but watch till the end. Quality content is the cornerstone of viewer engagement, and it's something you should never compromise on. Next up, encourage viewer engagement. You might be wondering, how does one do that? Well, it's quite simple. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. These actions signal to YouTube's algorithm that your video is engaging, which can boost its visibility. But don't just ask for engagement, give it back. Respond to comments, participate in discussions, and foster a sense of community around your channel. Building a community not only increases engagement, but it also turns casual viewers into loyal fans. Lastly, don't forget to use clear calls to action. A call to action, or CTA, is a prompt that guides your viewers on what to do next. Whether it's asking them to subscribe to your channel, visit your website, or watch another video, CTAs play a crucial role in guiding your viewers' journey. But remember, your CTAs should be strategic, not spammy. Place them at key points in your video and make sure they're relevant to your content. Now you might be thinking, why all this fuss about viewer engagement? Well, here's the deal. The more your viewers engage with your video, the longer they watch, boosting your watch time and retention rates. These metrics are crucial for YouTube's algorithm as they signal that your content is engaging and valuable. And as we all know, the algorithm loves engaging content. It's more likely to recommend your content to other viewers, expanding your reach and boosting your rankings. So there you have it, folks. Engaging your viewers is no rocket science. It's about creating valuable content, fostering a sense of community, and guiding your viewers' journey with clear calls to action. Implement these strategies and you'll see a significant boost in your viewer engagement, watch time, and retention rates. Engaging your viewers is equally important as optimizing your video for search engines. Remember, in the world of YouTube, engagement is king. So start implementing these strategies today and watch your YouTube channel thrive. Mastering video SEO optimization can significantly boost your YouTube rankings and visibility. Let's recap on what we've learned today. We began with the importance of video SEO, a process that helps your videos rank higher in search engine results. With the digital landscape growing more competitive by the day, standing out requires more than just creating high-quality content. It's about making your videos discoverable, ensuring they reach a wider audience. We dove into actionable tips for optimizing your video content. We discussed how keyword research is the foundation of your SEO strategy, guiding you to high-volume, low-competition keywords relevant to your content. We also emphasized the power of compelling titles and descriptions, ones that naturally incorporate your target keywords, accurately represent your content, and entice viewers to click. We talked about the significance of high-quality thumbnails, those that grab attention and accurately portray your video's content. And we explored the importance of optimizing the video file itself with relevant keywords in the file name, tags, and transcript. But we also highlighted that SEO isn't just about search engines, it's about your viewers too. We discussed creating valuable content that meets their needs and encourages engagement. We stressed the importance of fostering a sense of community around your channel by responding to comments and encouraging likes, shares, and subscriptions. And finally, we underlined the importance of clear calls to action to guide viewer behavior. Remember, success in video SEO isn't a one-time thing. It requires consistency and a willingness to experiment. What works for one video may not work for another, so keep testing, keep optimizing, and keep learning. So start optimizing your videos today and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering video SEO optimization.